Assalamu alaikum. Today I will share with you on how to apply for job abroad using LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the most effective method, and especially it's really easy to apply through LinkedIn. Um, First of all, it's important to make profile, and I just can show you a few examples. For example, here you can see with the clear face picture without any background, basic where smiling face, so should show your positive energy. It's good to show the cover page which is relevant to your field. So here you can see after her name she mentioned her field, the postdoc researcher in computer science wireless network. And if you see the cover page, you already see that she is in the wireless networks. So this picture cover page represent you. So whenever you want to show English teacher, then you should present something which present the English teachers, or whatever job you are looking for. If you are engineer in energy or electrical or anything, then you bio, then this cover page should be relevant to that one and especially represent you. So after your page and cover page, after your photo and cover page, everybody should be able to recognize your field. And then you mm, have basic information about yourself, not too complicated, just very simple. Then there must be active profile. So you see she have already posted, she have lot of followers to 500 plus connections. So the profile should be active and these connections should be relevant with the people of your field, and especially these posts should also be relevant. So there should be no political or religious post on this platform that's specifically designed for the job. Then experience, education, basically, if you have any certificate, you can list skills. And this all titles are very important because these are the one should be related with the job you are looking. So if you are looking to be a English teacher, then all this title or experience should focus on English teaching. And if you are a software engineer, then it's all focused on software engineer, or you are a AI expert, or you are in computer science. So then these fields should be all related with that one. So there should be no complicated skills. Or for example, here she would mention 12 skills, and if you go through the skills, is programming, networking. So all this is which is relevant to the field. So that's important to make a complete profile. I can show you a few more examples. For example, let's say this one here. So you can see she is a director of the department, professor, and if you see her cover page, that represent her. So she is director. She is addressing in a conference about she's because AI. So you can see the title rise of AI from that. So first impression and smiling face, positive energy. So you can see basic information, 500 plus connections. Then you talk about herself. There is post, and all posts are quite relevant. If you see, this is all about AI and yeah, about her field. So most of the post, and then yeah, basic information, education, experience, license, if project, any skills. So this is all complete profile on a reward. So just complete your profile. Don't write open to work. Some people use this open to work or I'm willing to job or this thing. So there's no need. Just be very professional. Put your smiling face picture with nice background, complete, connect with people, post on your profile related to your job or field which you are looking for. And then to apply for a job, let's go with the um, section which is job. Just go through this one. You put what job you are looking. Let's say you are looking for computer science. So you mention computer science. Here you can always choose the location. So you choose location, whatever, say USA. So United States, search the job, always select past week because that will show only relevant, because then you will be the first one to apply for this job. Then you click show. Now all the posts are there. You can click, you can get information, all the positions already mentioned. And then if you see here, there are some posts which say easy apply, and that's really impressive because this is the most easy way to apply for a job. So this is posted 4 hours ago, only 6 applicants there still, so there is a chances. Go through profile, of course it should be relevant. You can always read what requirement. For example, this is bachelor is required, but MS or PhD desired, 5 year experience. If something is related with you, go with easy apply. When you click on easy apply, there is always just go through the basic information there. You can upload your CV. No need cover letter at first stage, just upload it. So if you upload one time, it was already will be there, and you select and click next, and that will be sent. So this is really a fast way to apply. You can see it yearly because you select 1 week. Always easy apply is really good. You can go, it's only take few minutes, 5 minutes, and you can send, go through profile, read if it's relevant to you, go to easy apply, and that's, you can actually select here also what level you want. If you want it entry level, then it will show only entry level jobs. So this is showing these results. These are not easy apply, but then you can change any country. So let's say we can go with Germany. So now all the computer scientist field in Germany and entry level. So you can go through. For example, here is easy apply. So entry level posted 2 days ago. So many people already applied. Go through this one and just click easy apply. You can just enter your information, go to next, and just select a CV, and then you can apply. So this is the really fast way to apply for any job. If you have any question on job search, then let me know. I can explain.